For many people, when they start an AI consulting agency, their first goal is to get to $10,000 a month. And honestly, if you put in the work and you have the right mindset, you can actually reach that level fairly quickly. After that, agencies can scale quickly to 15 to 20K a month, but most agency owners, when they get to that level, they have a really hard time scaling further. They feel like they have to work all day just to keep up with the operations. They don't have a reliable way to sign new clients consistently. They also struggle keeping clients, leading to their high levels of churn. This keeps them in the vicious cycle of hovering right around 20K per month without being able to scale beyond. Now, if that's you, you definitely want to stick around to the end of this video because I've helped hundreds of AI consulting agencies to go from $10,000 to $20,000 range to $100,000 and beyond. And what I found that there are 5 key things, and if you're able to fix these 5 things, you'll have a really easy time scaling to the next level. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 things and how you can fix them so you can finally unlock growth and scale in your agency to go past $20,000 with ease. All right, let's get into these 5 mistakes. Mistake number 1 is having the wrong model. Now, here's the deal. If you're operating from the wrong model, selling the wrong thing in the wrong way with the wrong pricing, you could be doing all the right things, the right activities, right? You could be selling correctly, you could be positioning correctly, you could have it all going on and still not get the outcome that you're after. Now, this was my experience in my first agency. I was selling one-off projects to clients no matter how hard I worked. No matter how efficient I thought I could be, I just couldn't get past $20,000 a month. But when I shifted the model, that's when everything changed. And so what that model is causing you to do first is to sell all the wrong people at the wrong price. And it's also causing you to have to reinvent the wheel from one client to the next. So there's no possible way for you to scale. Now, I'm going to suggest that the model that has worked the best for me, the other agencies that we work with, in the most simple fashion, it would be to choose a very specific vertical that you want to focus on. Develop a pre-positioning preset package that's built to generate results in a particular industry. The next thing you want to do is charge monthly recurring. No one-off projects, no partial deposits, just a monthly recurring fee, something that's probably greater than 1 to 2K a month. And if you get that model right, then everything you do past that is so much more efficient. Now, mistake number 1 is operating from the wrong model. Now, mistake number 2 is having no proactive client acquisition method. Now, mistake number 2 is not having a system set up, just relying on referrals or relying on word of mouth. And I know a lot of agents, this is how they grew, right? And it's nice when you do get referrals because the people come in and they're just like, yeah, they lay downs, right? Whatever you say, okay, cool, let's just give it a shot. But the truth is that you can't control when the next referral is gonna come in. So you need to have a proactive strategy where you're positioning yourself, where you're reaching out to people and you got a consistent deal flow that's just coming in, right? Where you can land 3 to 5 clients every single month. And if you don't have a proactive client acquisition system, there's no way that you're gonna scale past 20K a month. And I find that a lot of agencies, what they'll do is they'll do some prospecting and they'll get some clients, right? And then they'll get some revenue going and then they'll kind of shift gears to delivery mode. And then when they're in delivery mode, they don't get the proactive client system coming in. So they don't have any deals coming in after they get those clients, which is why they're continuing to stay stagnated. So big mistake number 2 is not having a proactive client acquisition system. Mistake number 3 is trying to do it all yourself. Now, as you grow the agency to 10 to 20K a monthly recurring revenue, ideally you've got some skills, right? In AI consulting, whether it's lead generation or sales or helping clients to just like implement AI, and you know how to do it, you can sell it, then you're like, okay, great, it's work, and now you kind of just roll up your sleeves and just do all the work. But the reality is, if you're gonna run an AI consulting agency and get it past $20,000 a month, you can't just do everything yourself because you're acting like a technician. And if you read the book, The E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber, one of the classic books in business, he always talks about the technician versus the entrepreneur versus the owner, right? And a lot of agencies are just good at like doing the work and they never let it go. They never build a team. They never remove themselves from the process. What I'm gonna encourage you to do, if you wanna break past the 20K a month mark and you wanna have a scalable business that can provide some freedom for you, you need to get good at being the CEO of your business, hiring a team for the delivery, and removing yourself from the part of the equation so that you can focus focus on growing the business and landing clients, which will scale you past the 20K per month mark. Next, mistake number 4, which is a poor onboarding process. What happens is we get the client and we're like, okay, what's the usernames and passwords? And we get to work. And it's like, okay, let's set up lead gen system. Let's implement AI. Let's build the funnels. Let's go. All sounds great, right? But here's what most agencies fail to understand is that we have to communicate with the client and we have to set proper expectations with the client. We need to keep the client abreast of everything that's going on, especially during the onboarding period. And we're starting to put things in place that are going to get the results that we promised. And I see this too often. Too many agencies are just landing clients and running off, trying to do all the work, and they wind up with a big churn situation somewhere in the middle, right? And that's where you get one step forward and one step backwards. Oh, we finally got to 20K and then 2 clients cancel, and now we're trying to keep ourselves at the same level, right? So it's important that we dial in our onboarding process that we can retain clients at a higher percentage by showing them the roadmap of what we're going to implement. This is very important, all right? So mistake number 5 is not having a reactivation campaign management process. So far too often, agencies that get to 15 to 20K a month in business, they haven't removed themselves from the process, right? And they're just too busy to proactively check in on clients, right? They're too busy to proactively check in the clients to see if they're good or not, or to share the vision with them or the results that they're getting or other people in the community, and they don't know where to go next. And this leads to high churn, and churn leads to more of the sense of, man, I'm getting clients and I'm hustling to try to keep them and I'm getting the work done. And as soon as I feel like I'm just about to break through this 20K a month, and some of these clients start to cancel, and I'm just trying to replace revenue with the ones that just lost, right? And you have to shift from a reactive account management process to a proactive management process where you're meeting with the clients monthly, or you got a team member that's meeting with them monthly, showing them what you did, the return or the investment, and them seeing the vision of what's happening next. So I hope you're getting this, right? And the number one reason why clients leave is the perceived indifference. So if you can solve for the way that you engage with the clients, your retention is going to be higher and you'll have a better stick rate. You'll be able to finally get the momentum that gets you to break through this $20,000 a month glass ceiling. So those are 5 key mistakes: operating from the wrong model, no proactive client acquisition system, doing it all yourself, poor onboarding, and reactive account management. Fix all 5 of these and you'll be off to the races. These are the most common mistakes that stop AI consulting agencies from scaling beyond 20K a month. And by fixing these, you'll be 80% of the way there. However, that last 20% will come down to some specific strategies that I couldn't cover in this video. You see, while helping hundreds of consulting agencies scale past 6 and 7 figures, we created a roadmap that any agency can follow to do the same. And if you want help implementing these systems, if you want to stop being stuck at 15 to 25K a month and scale to 50 and 100K per month with long-term clients, here's what you should know. We got a program called the Quantum Boardroom, and this is my one-to-one system installation program for AI consulting and marketing founders. Not a group program, not a course, not templates. This is where we work with you directly, me one-on-one, to build 4 systems that your agency needs: offer, leads, sales, and delivery. Inside Quantum Boardroom, we'll offer to rebuild your offer, install an AI lead system, fix your sales system, speed up your delivery, keep your long-term clients, and also you get the one-on-one system calls with me, unlimited, as many as you need, 24/7 access, systems installed with you, a private group of founders scaling from 100 to 250K, and access to our training library, and a free ticket to our Quantum Boardroom event. Now, if this sounds helpful, message me on Instagram at Arturo Johnson Consulting, and we'll talk for a few minutes to see if you're a good fit, and we'll just kind of go from there. No pressure. I actually don't need clients. I'm only looking for one perfect fit client. Now, remember, this is where you stop trying systems that don't work, and this is the moment where everything can click. This is where you need to get it right. So I hope this video was valuable to you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. I'll see you at the top.